Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're headed to Alo Yoga to try on the cropped elevation cover-up and the high waist elevation mini skirt. As of now, this cover-up comes in a black and a white color, and so does the matching skirt. But the skirt actually also comes in a midnight green color, which is a really interesting color. I haven't seen it that much. The cover-up itself is very comfortable, it's very plush, and it almost feels like a comforter. It definitely feels wind resistant, and then on the inside has this beautiful lush plush fleece material. So I was very surprised by this item in person. I wasn't coming to the store specifically to look at this, but it did catch my eye and I did end up taking it home. Now the skirt was of the same material. It had very fleece shorts underneath, and it had the same cinch material at the waistband with the rubber Alo Yoga logos. The back of the skirt was a little lower in the back, as are most of the Alo Yoga skirts, and it had the same kind of next level zippers and matte hardware. You'll see it's kind of a rubbery material that just feels like it was a little more expensive to make. Now, of course, pairing these together was the right thing to do. It does stylistically go together, but I don't fully know where somebody is wearing such a short skirt with such a warm jacket. So it kind of brought me back to my sport playing days. So if you're playing tennis and you have to end up going outside or need something, it gets a little chilly at night, this would definitely be a great set for that purpose. Now, if we just take a look at the skirt alone, I'm not entirely sure when it should be used. But if we do take a look at the pullover alone, I think it's so versatile. It's great for cold winter days. If you want to go for a run, a jog, or even just, lounge around the house in, it's very, very comfortable and it's very plush. Let me know if you like this style in the comments below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.